Hello there, I'm Ben. Welcome to Space Math 101. Let's get started. Welcome to your first lesson in Space Math. Let's get started by writing out Space Math. Now you can go ahead and underline Space Math. There you have it. You'll be interested to know how little Space Math has to do with either space or math or 101. People don't realize how important space math is to our daily lives. Now if we think back to the Neanderthal times, a bunch of people living in caves, writing things on walls. If you look at some of those closely, you'll see the underlying structure of space math beginning to take form. Now, if you'll just delve into the minds of one of the great space math creators, you might know his name. You might not. You might be Patrick living under a rock. You might not get that reference. Albert Einstein. You might be asking yourself, how can Albert Einstein, the great mathematician, the great physicist, possibly have delved into another field of such great importance? Albert Einstein, interestingly, had nothing to do with space math. Nothing. Why'd it take so long to erase the board, Ben? Okay, Stacy. I'm gonna write out a name here. Paris Hilton is the major contributor to space math. She is thousands of years old and is now part of a secret organization that basically generates all of our space math intel. Now, a curious connection is that Plato is similar to both Pluto, the planet, and Play-Doh. Now, it's a little known fact that Paris Hilton was actually born on the planet Pluto. Post. All iterations of post. Post-its, post-mail, posts in the ground, and post as in after something. And as you can see, these start the 5 pillars of space math. You're asking me a question now. What does Hilton have to do with this? Every annual meeting of space math takes place in a Hilton hotel. There you go. Simple as that. Obviously, we've changed the names of individuals to protect their identities. It's a good time to write out the pentagon of space math. This way, you can write out the 5 pillars of space math. Math, math, other, more math, and space. Now you're probably wondering, what happened to all the other pillars that started with P? Those are important too. Oh shoot. I didn't make a mistake. I obviously did that on purpose. Now there's a space in space, making space squared. Now that you've memorized this, you can go ahead and erase that. We'll not be using that again. Still, you might be wondering, what is space math? How does this relate to me? And I'll tell you, it doesn't. You might be wondering how this relates to my life. My life currently is good. Yours probably sucks because you're watching this video. Now I might have schizophrenia, but that doesn't mean that space math is illegitimate. You crazy? You feel what I'm saying? You crazy? Oh. The basis, the bottom part. Poor, great, and crazy. Thanks for watching, Space Mathsters. I'll see you next time.